Lucena JMC, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Automotive Technology, cum laude. Agbulos Edel Mar, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Automotive Technology, cum laude. Cabrera Ros Daniel Capito, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, major in Electronics Technology, cum laude. Congratulations! Certificate in Trucking Technology with honors. Datanaga Ricardo Patubo, 2-year technical course major in Automotive Technology with honors. Nagtalon Ian Carlo Anteta, 2-year technical course major in Electrical Technology with honors. Congratulations! We present our certificate of appreciation to Ms. Marina N. Garcia, Director to Civil Service Commission, in Officer Field Office. Citation. Certificate